Velo, USD exchanges close $0 in especially enormous manner. Velo, all things considered, has a medium-term opposition at $0 in especially huge manner. Velo's EMA in every practical sense shows a really descending pattern, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which is very huge. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues. What in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Velo? Sort of is Velo a kind of wise speculation, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, exhibiting that Velo truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0 a kind of significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us especially discuss the sort of current economic situations in a very enormous manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $150,973,041,636 kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The sort of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $33,001,951,281, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is genuinely huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in a for the most part enormous manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.98 and is of now exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending course for kind of present moment. Most certainly further appearance how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,150,973,041,636 in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, and in every practical sense, general all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a very enormous way. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, in a real sense let us especially discuss the sort of current economic situations, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers certainly become essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that help certainly is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized investigation, essentially let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo sort of is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a very significant manner. However, Velo generally has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with a fundamentally complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD. In every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Examination for the 29th of May 2023 inside an everyday time span generally made sense of beneath. All things considered. Further appearance how following really are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value investigation market record. Velo basically is exchanging at $0 an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in an especially significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving truly normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to truly dissect the future development of the Velo. Extremely further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM sort of has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The kind of relative strength file shows that the Velo coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 30, exhibiting that the especially relative strength record demonstrates that the Velo coin in every practical sense is in oversold stage, as RSI fundamentally is at 30, or so they essentially thought. The VELO, USD moving fundamentally normal union and disparity marker especially is demonstrating a kind of present moment basically sell especially signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath commonly signal line which generally implies basically bears in every practical sense are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending course for most certainly present moment, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,50973041636, which certainly is genuinely critical. While Velo's Williams % R pointer truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span showing an oversold condition and certainly momentary pattern especially inversion in every practical sense, is genuinely conceivable in a significant way. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,50973041636 kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo sort of is moving in especially descending heading as especially bears effectively in a real sense take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0, which by and large is very critical. Presently Velo ought to explicitly track down a help at $0, probably the vendors could then focus on the urgent help level put at $0, essentially further appearance how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.80.